guys, we're back with another video. Today we're having a Boeing 747 United Airlines. So let's get right into it. This is actually my first time having a Boeing 747. So yeah. Okay. As you can see, I'm opening it. Okay. So I'm opening this. And this. So this is the body. It is from, can't really read that, but front. Okay, I got landing gears. And this one. And then here are the other landing gears. This was actually the one that I wanted, but it's kind of expensive. These are the wings, Boeing 747 wings. Other wing. And then, cool engines. That is 4 engines, and then Boeing 747. You can read it right there, like this. I like that. And then the wings are there too. So yeah, I'm gonna move all this to the side. Now let's open it. Uh-oh. Well, I guess this came off. Gotta put that back. Oh, let me see. Oh, this side. Slowly. Okay, I got the ignited. Woohoo! Boeing. This is actually a retired plane, so yeah. Oh my god, it's so hard. Put it in, put it. Oof. Not going in. Oh my god. Sorry guys. Kinda hard finally. Kinda hard to get the wings on here. And now I'm gonna get the second wing. Hopefully this one's a little more. Okay, hit the click. Now we have half of the plane. I'm done. Only half though. Gotta put the landing gear down here. And then I think that's it. Wait. What is this landing gear for? Oh, I have to do this landing gear too. I just forgot about that. Sorry guys. Okay, got a wheel. Can you focus? I hope it focused for you guys, but if it didn't, I'm so sorry. Uh-oh. I hope it didn't break. Did it break? And no, it didn't. It didn't break. Okay, I found it. Okay. Plano. Like that. Okay, I got them on. Wait, first, I didn't wish I got that on, but did it. I didn't realize. Okay, I got the bowling. Put this. Half of the aircraft is done. And I did it. Oh. Just getting the engines. That's my first one. Oh. Got it. Oh. Sorry, guys. Coincidence. Trying to get a right angle. But it's kind of hard. Okay, now I got it. I guess I'll do that one. Yep. Scissors. Oh, that was easy. Okay. Then the wings. Sorry guys, it was kind of quiet. It's kind of hard taking out the wings from the plastic because this one is kind of hard when I only get one wing. Oh, there we go. I got the second one. Now I gotta just put it. Like that. Okay. What was that? Oh, maybe this. This one is kind of like but it's kind of tilted. Uh-oh. and you put it tight. This is also a Skybox model. Oh, come on. This is hard. Okay, maybe I'm just gonna do it like this. How it should be, but this is how it is. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.